Wind forecast on Vipercast through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon shows wind gusts up to about 22 miles per hour by the time we get to the evening rush hour. And those gusty winds continue even through the rest of the evening. There's mid-evening at 9:30, and you can see wind gusts around 23 miles per hour, 22 miles per hour. So staying breezy and gusty straight through the evening and overnight hours, and then even into tomorrow. Here's 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're still looking at wind gusts around 20 miles per hour for the morning hours. Rain chances, well, really today and tomorrow will be our highest chances for rain, at least for the next 5 days or so, with about a 30% chance for those fast-moving showers. And then that drops down to around a 10% chance as we head into the weekend. We get some drier air in the mix. We're still in hurricane season, at least until November 30th, and we don't have much going on in the tropics right now. A little activity down in the southern Gulf of Mexico, really nothing developing there. A couple computer models are developing a little something out here by Bermuda as we head into the weekend, but it moves straight up to the north, so no impact on South Florida or the United States for that matter. Fast showers, windy through the afternoon here. Farther south you go, the less rainfall you're going to see in our area. High temperatures today, mid-80s. Fast-moving showers, east-northeasterly winds. Tonight, the Orionid meteor shower continues its peak, 10 to 20 meteors per hour. Looks southeast, especially best after midnight and just before dawn. And then as we head through the rest of the week, rain chances tomorrow, and then much drier as we head Friday into the weekend.